Okay. This seems to be about sort of normal between 35 and 45 for travel trailers these days, if you will. Okay. Especially this one's 33 feet. So yeah, right. Almost 34 feet. It's 38 feet, 33 feet, 8 inches. This is the 2810 KIK. All right. It's another Alta. Let's go in and take a peek at this. Good. How are you doing? So yeah. Oh, look at this. So you had opposing slides.
Yeah.
So this is fifth wheel-ish like, right? So Todd here is sitting in the theater chair.
Hello, Todd.
And what lines do you represent for East West?
Alta.
Alta?
Yep.
And the Alta Extreme?
Yes, Alta Extreme.
That thing was extreme.
It is.
Holy crap. I couldn't. It was crazy.
Yeah.
How tall is that?
It's about, just about almost 9 feet.
It's crazy. That's what I said. I thought it was more than 8 feet. Yeah. Driving down the road, how tall? Not to put you on the spot.
Can't quite remember. I don't want to misquote that.
That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, we spent some time with a few of you guys today. Mark over at, oh, geez. Where were we?
The Fifth Wheels.
The Fifth Wheels on the other side. Spent some time with Mark and, well, oh my God, I'm just running the names. We talk to people all day long, but we've seen a lot of the East-West guys today.
Yeah.
Rewind the stream and give us the name.
I know. Oh,
my
goodness.
Huh?
No, we were looking for
we were looking for Jesse, but it wasn't Jesse.
And we found
Todd. No, that's you.
That's
Aaron.
Aaron. Yes, Aaron.
Was it Aaron? I honestly don't remember.
Sorry, Aaron. I'm sorry, Aaron. I'm really sorry. All right. So what do you have to say for yourself in the Alta line? What's special and different about this compared to maybe some comparisons in the industry that you would want people to know?
Well, I mean, it's a 6-sided aluminum camper. You know, we do 2-inch sidewalls with Asdel both inside and out.
3-inch on the extreme.
3-inch on the extreme. Yep. We do 5-inch vacuum bonded laminated roofs. It's crowned on the outside. They come really pretty much well equipped. There's not many options you can add to an Alta. Like for instance, in this unit, you can put a sleeper sofa here and a table and chairs. That's about it. You know, they're just well equipped and built very well, like our high-end fifth wheels, really.
Yep. Excellent. All right. Cool. All right. Well, let's take a look around it.
Okay.
All right.
Right behind Lisa, right across from Todd and myself, you got your TV, which is on a televator. So if you're somewhere and there's really great surroundings and you want to see out the window, you just put this down and you can see outside. Okay. Beneath, fireplace for Lisa's freakishly tiny cold feet. All right. Then as we get to the back over there, we have a traditional dinette, except this table moves around. So if you want to eat dinner in the theater chairs across from the TV, you can do that.
Or if you want to take it outside, you can do that too.
Outside. Yeah. This does drop down and that becomes a bed. Storage underneath, you can see the drawers. Okay. As we get to the island, if you come around this side, you see the toe kick lighting, which is nice.
Beautiful.
Right. And guess what? People, you were asking about desks. Here's one that's got a desk built in.
Look at that.
You need a working office? You got one.
Yeah.
Right. Spot, put your files over there or whatever. Space for the chair, your monitor, computer, all that stuff. And additional storage above if you want to use that just for office stuff.
Which that is really deep storage.
It really is.
Very nice.
It really is.
And power.
Yep. But well, you got to have power if you're going to have an office.
Got to have power.
You got to have a computer, right? So you get into the kitchen. This island's got a full single basin sink. All right. Large pull-down residential faucets.
I like the faucets on the side. That's
unique.
too.
Yep. You got big storage underneath. I would put the trash can there. A couple pull-out drawers on this side. There's 3 on the other side.
Yep.
Back behind you, there's one huge pull-out. Okay. Got your microwave, which is a Greystone, 3-burner stove, mini oven, your fan, a little bit of storage above. Over here, you got your Everchill 12 volts. Ba-ba-bum, ba-ba-bum, bada-bing, bada-boop. And then, of course, you've got, well, whatever you want this to be, food storage or whatever. Not too bad. And there's a couple drawers down there. What's this bottom one? Are they thinking about Rover and... They are!
Look at
Rover
that.
and Kitty. There you go. Whiskers.
Nice. There you go.
Love the little paneling here.
Very nice.
Then we get to the back. You're welcome.
400 watts of solar on the roof.
How much?
400.
400 watts of solar.
Oh.
That's more than standard on everybody else.
Yeah, it is.
Like
200.
Keystone's 220.
Yes.
Right, standard.
1800 watt pure sine wave inverter.
Nice. So you're doing well.
Stepping it up.
Yeah. Excellent.
Yeah. Very nice.
And what kind of batteries typically are sold with them?
They come with Series 27. They're lead acid.
They're not the lithium ion,
but they're.
but you can upgrade to that, I'm assuming.
I mean, batteries are kind of, you can spend as much as you want on lithium, so
Yeah.
we kind of leave that to the customer to decide.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Battleborn's a big name these days for the RV industry, so
Yeah.
you just go pick them up and put them in.
Yeah.
It's just disconnect and connect. It's not a major
You
thing.
flip a switch in the inverter and you're all set.
Yeah. Yep. Perfect.
Very
Right.
nice.
And they even mounted a clock. We had to put a clock in ours.
No, we had to go buy our own.
And we came back last night. It was on the ground.
Yeah.
I'm so mad.
Yeah. Command failed us.
Yes. Darn command. All right. So we're in the bathroom here. The toilet is turned at this angle, sort of catty cornered in the bathroom. It is just perfect for someone my height, which is 6'4". Which a couple things, because we've been going a while and I haven't said this yet. First of all, we have a new Facebook page, guys. Tall Man's RV Reviews. Please go subscribe, whatever it's called. You know, like. What is it called? I'm such a horrible Facebook person. I'm not going to lie. My wife will tell you. I'm just a horrible follow. Yes. Tall Man's RV Reviews. Follow us on Facebook. Also, if it's your first time, please hit that subscribe button. Become part of the Tall Man clan. It is free to you. So is the Facebook, by the way. Costs you nothing, and it really does help out the channel, and we would sincerely appreciate it. Also, I'm 6'4". All right, and so all that housekeeping out of the way. Definitely, I'm calling this Tall and Fluffy approved. Okay? Place for your linens right there.
Yep.
You do have a nice, large sink with a large vanity storage underneath.
Very nice.
You have your medicine cabinet up top, which is also huge for all them big drugs. All right, and then the shower, which is also Tall Man approved. I'm not even in the bubble. Okay,
Nice.
6'9", guys. All right,
Love it.
favorite door. Sorry.
Don't give up your day job.
I'm tired. I get really silly when I'm tired. Lifts up. You got storage underneath.
I love the drawers.
Yes.
Yeah.
Isn't that sweet?
Mm-hmm.
Right. That's a place for Rover or Whiskers to sleep.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
And if you don't
This
have a
looks-
Rover or Whiskers, you can put dirty laundry there. If you want.
Exactly. This looks like an RV king.
Yeah, I think so.
So you got hanging cabinets left and right. You got storage up on top. There's cubbies in the back for if you have your CPAPs, power, USB, and 12 volt. There's a couple little drawers right underneath there, Lisa. Okay. And there's also wardrobe over on this side. So if you need more hanging space, there's a very large one right there.
Nice.
All right. So there you go.
Very nice.
We've covered